Welcome to Grandpa Short's half-ass garage once again. Now, this right here is a 60,000 BTU Stanley heater that I bought at Tractor Supply on sale for $70. Now, they had one that I usually harp on Harbor Freight, but doggone it, they had one half the BTU, 30,000 BTUs for $100. I went down there and bought this down there at Tractor Supply, doubled the BTUs for $70. I don't know how in the hell Harbor Freight let down Tractor Supply beat them, but they did. So guess what? My ass went down there to Tractor Supply and got me one of these heaters, because there ain't no use of me having a shop. It won't come out here during the winter because I'm freezing my ass. Anyway, we're gonna do this unboxing today and see what we got here. Yeah, let me dump this thing out. That's what it looks like right there. See, ain't she pretty? I tried to get one with pinstripes. They didn't have it. This was the last one they had when I went down there. I was tickled. Anyway, get this thing out. Damn, they got this thing childproof. All right, this is the handle, apparently. All right. Oh, this thing's shiny. Ain't this thing pretty? Oh, that thing's pretty. There's a book to it. We don't need to look at that. Let's see. I might, if I can't. Oh, yeah. All right, yeah. Put the handle on it. I might have Grandma Shart fast forward this so y'all don't get bored while I'm putting on this handle. Let's see here. Little washer on here, and put me this one on first, because it's way back here. Well, I might go ahead and just put on this one. Hold that. Ah, I see, said the blind man. All right, put it up right here. See, I need me a Phillips screwdriver head. Don't fall me. Yeah, that'll do it. I am blind, folks. Y'all gonna see me on here one day with a pair of Ray Charles sunglasses. I'm getting that bad. Let's see here. What'd you do that for? Got the thing in there upside down. This thing, this is magnetic. I might ought to put this handle on before I ever start talking to you. Gee whiz. Where you at? There you go. There you go. That's a Grandpa Short special right there. All right. Now I got this one. I got this tank all filled up, and then I got this one that's partially filled up that I want to use up first. So I'm going to use my propane tank that's partially filled up. build up. It's getting hot in here. Anyway, this thing partially filled up. This goes tank. And this goes right here. I'm gonna put a little pipe dope on this one so it won't leak. Let's see. Pipe dope. Where you at? Where you at? Come on, man. Now I need them. Big little help getting that thing on. Let's see here. All right. Now we're gonna put a little true blue on here. Make sure I get a good amount around here so we don't need no leaks. All right. Put this right here. Come on, man. All right. Get this. Now, let me go get something to tighten it up with. Tighten this booger up right here. Turn it the wrong way. Now, this one don't need no true blue because it's got this washer right there. Put this. But doggone it. Huh. What the hell's going on here? Alright, well I fooled around. I got it hooked to the electricity. And you're supposed to direct it, turn it on directly in a 3-form plug, and that's what it did, grounded plug. And I hooked it up down there to the propane. Now it's time to make some matching. Let's see what this baby will do.
Are you priming it?
Let's see, I turned it on. Looky there, looky there. Got to hold the pilot down till the thermocouple gets hot. Looky there, looky there. Ooh, it's coming off
Oh,
there.
that's warm.
Yeah. Looky there, looky there.
Ooh. Ooh, boy, that's...
The whole half of this shot.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's got some heat coming off. But anyway, well, it worked pretty good. It throws out some heat. I can feel it from way over here. Doggone. Hell, that just turned it on. I can feel it way over here. Well, I don't need to heat the whole shop. I just need to heat where I'm working at, so I don't get frostbite out here working. But I guarantee you this thing will heat a big part of the shop by itself to 60,000 BTUs. And it probably won't take a whole lot of propane to do it. But anyway, till we meet again, Grandpa Shart out.